Time for a stock to watch, and it's Tesla, among the top trenders on Yahoo Finance. Once again this morning, shares are sliding in pre-market trading off just about 3.5% year to date. It's been ugly for the stock, with shares off about 27%. Sozzi, you got to look for us here on what we could see. Pre-market trading off just about 1.7%, lost to over 3% yesterday. Is it going to turn it around?
I was looking for a really bad pun, like Tesla's stock down shifts to neutral, but you don't really shift in a Tesla, right? It's just an electric vehicle. Nonetheless, here are three reasons why Tesla stock is still tanking. Let me fire these off here. Really, performance for Tesla has just not been good. You look at that last earnings report, earnings have been softer than expected for 6 straight quarters, so the street is getting concerned about the company's performance. Number two, Wall Street profit estimates on Tesla are actually starting to fall. If you go over to Yahoo Finance, you click on the analysis section on the left rail, you can see some of the earnings trends for Tesla over in recent days. Over the past 30 days, 2024 EPS estimates for Tesla have fallen for this year by about 72 cents. Now, keep in mind, Tesla shares are still valued about 56 times forward earnings. Not a good scenario when you see earnings estimates declining and your price is still priced for perfection or a growth stock. And then lastly, you have questions about Elon Musk here, the human being. The Wall Street Journal dropped its second story over the weekend, digging into his potential or reported drug use, who else is running in his fear. And I think this has begun to weigh on sentiment around Tesla. So you have all that, and then really a nifty chart I think is also relevant to the Tesla story here as well. It comes from the folks over at Car Gurus, and you can see the continued downtrend in used Tesla prices for various reasons, whether it is quality concerns or people just don't want these things, they have range anxiety, whatever it is, prices for Tesla continue to fall, which I would argue is putting pressure to even for Tesla to continue to lower prices on its newer vehicles, which puts pressure on profits and potentially sets it up for a 7th straight disappointing quarter when it reports 3 months from now.
Well, the other issue, too, is that you have the issue of so many of the rental car companies that are now putting some of their EVs back into the market, too. So that hits on the Tesla selling proposition for a brand new one. If somebody can say, all right, just for me to test out this EV landscape right now, why don't I just get into a used one for a fraction of the cost?
Pick up one of those Toyota hybrids. I know you're a big fan. I really got a lot of pushback on my Toyota barn call, but
I'm just saying they got the Lexus division.
Well, you were from the market. I didn't think it was that much cooler than what Toyota was offering.
Sorry, Toyota.